there are rights that the guardian has to tell the courts whether or not they should be restricted. The essence of guardianship is to act in the best interest of the vulnerable adult. So I'm going to go down the list of rights that I have to tell the judge whether or not the person should have the rights or retain their rights or lose their rights. The right to marry or divorce, the right to reside in a place of their choosing, the vulnerable adult choosing, and consent or withhold consent to any residential or custodial placement, the right to travel without the consent of a guardian, the right to give, withhold, or withdraw consent, and make other informed decisions relative to medical, mental, or physical examinations, care, treatment, and therapies, the right to make end-of-life decisions, the right to consent or refuse to consent to hospitalization and discharge or transfer to a residential setting, group home, or other facility for additional care and treatment, the right to authorize disclosure of confidential information, the right to operate a vehicle, the right to vote, the right to be employed without the consent of a guardian, the right to consent to or refuse educational services, the right to participate in social, religious, or political activities, the right to buy, sell, or transfer real or personal property, the right to make, modify, or terminate contracts, the right to bring or defend any action at law or equity, and anything other that the guardian ad litem feels needs to be restricted but's not listed there. So the guardian goes in and checks all the rights that they want that person to lose, and they have to explain why the person is losing the rights. And so the guardian ad litem is the key here.